Yesterday, I had honestly one of the greatest nights in a very, very long time. And that all because I was social and I actually went out over myself, got off this whole autistic self improvement, stay on your grind, king type of shit, and created a friend group. And we all together went bowling, played billiards, and went to a really fancy restaurant, steakhouse, had a really nice meal, really good conversations and everything. And honestly, the whole night, I mean, it cost something, of course, but it was so valuable. It was unbelievably valuable. So, honestly, even taking the value away from it, it was fucking fun. That was like, yeah, sure, going to the gym is fun and everything, but when was the last time you had like this social kind of fun? When was the last time? Like for most people, it's probably when they're very, very long time ago, if not even for even some extreme cases in their childhood, where they had this like social fun, where they went out with their friends, uh, or in the when you were a kid type of example. You went and played with your friends, uh, hide and seek, for example, or something, and you just had the social high. You had extreme fun and everything. And honestly, even that was worth my time by like 10x, by like literally 10x, having this social fun once again. Because it's not often that I get that. Sure, I get it sometimes under the week, but that night was fucking special. That night was special. And so, if you want to create a friend group like I did, I would suggest you first get a few friends, get a few close friends that you can get, hopefully, some degenerates who drink alcohol and everything. Of course, if you want to have those type of friends around you, I wouldn't suggest it, but if you still want to have the advice on how to create a friend group, it works the exact same. Basically, you first get some friends as individuals, right? And more you start introducing them to each other. So you meet friend one and you have a workout with him, you bond and everything, everything's going well, and then you meet friend number two. Same stuff, and so one day you say, hey, do you want to, you say to friend one, would you want to go to the gym together? And you tell friend two the exact same thing, exact same date. You get them both together. You three have a gym workout, and boom, you already have like a mini group created now, or at least they know each other of each other. And that's how you do it. That's like you scale just that thing up. So you can have like maybe you meet friend number three and friend number four and do the same thing. You all have a gym workout together, and then all of a sudden you have five friends. That's enough to create a social group. You can actually do something together. You can actually go out. You can have fun. You can have this social high once more. And even like talking to girls, it's so much easier when your friends are around. It's so much easier. Even if you are interested in like the whole social branding and everything, where you post the nice pictures on Instagram, also easier by like 10x. So having like a social group and just doing with them something every week, every month is so valuable, so valuable. So again, once you have those friends, all you really have to do at this point is you're gonna think of like a social event you can create. For example, you say, okay, yeah, I really want to go rock climbing, and so you ask these people, do you want to come rock climbing and everything? If most of them say yes, that's a big go. You create a group on WhatsApp and you just put everyone in there. And then you just give out dates. Hey, do you want to do it on the 1st of April? Do you want to do it on the 5th of April or on something? You make like a poll on WhatsApp. And you just basically ask them, okay, when do you all have time? When can we go and everything? And that's basically it. Boom. You just started, first of all, a group, and second, you organized an event, and third, if the event happens and you've got to like keep being behind it, like keep pushing it sometimes, because not everyone is that accountable. I hope your friends are. And so if that event happens and you actually get to do that event, awesome, man. Awesome. Everyone's having fun, everyone's laughing. You have nice, intelligent conversations with them, and boom, you created the friend group you've always wanted. It's that simple. Most people overcomplicate it on how to create a friend group, but that's just how you do it. That's how I did it, and this works in like 99% of cases. All you just have to do is get get to the end point of having one social event. People will bond, and boom, you just got it. You just got it. You made it. So I hope it helps you, and see you in the next one.